The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.